everyone, it's Tammy and I am busy making a Christmas present and I thought I'd bring you along for some of it. So these are boxes that I've already cut out. They are 7 by 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yes, 7 by 7, and then I used my box punch to make boxes with all of them, and they are all a different pattern and they're all kind of cute. And what I did was so I have this one. So what I'm doing is I'm folding the boxes to make a little box. And then I'm putting a little bit of tear and tape on 3 of the sides. I went ahead and punched the little holder on that the box envelope comes with, but I don't really like it, so I'm not using the holder thing. I want these to stick closed because what I'm making is an advent calendar, and I'm doing 25 of these boxes, and in each box I'm putting a hot chocolate, and sometimes it's a hot chocolate, sometimes it's a hot chocolate with marshmallows, sometimes it's a hot chocolate with peppermint. And the person that I'm giving it to, or the people that I'm giving it to, can have a hot chocolate every day for the whole month of December. I thought that was kind of fun. I actually did not come up with this idea. I was searching Etsy for some ideas of beauty advent calendars because I love the idea of advent calendars. And this one popped up and I thought, oh, this is cute. And they do sell them on Etsy, so there are some stores that sell them. If you are interested in just purchasing one, you can look on Etsy and just search hot chocolate advent calendars. But if you have all of the desire to make one your own, you can do that as well. Like I said, I made boxes. You could make envelopes. You could just put a number on each of the Keurigs. It doesn't matter. This one is a peanut butter cookie Keurig. I'm just going to stick that right in there and then close it up. And then it's a little bit hard sometimes to push down the tear and tape, so I have been playing a little bit with that, trying to make sure that I get it closed. Using my little pokey tool a little bit to make sure that it stays nice and closed. And then I cut out I printed and cut out some numbers, and I am just sticking them right on top randomly like this, and then I'm throwing them in a box. So let's do another one. So these are the marshmallows that I used. I got these at the grocery. They are just little jet puffed marshmallow bits. They're from Kraft, and they are like freeze-dried marshmallows. They're kind of cute, and they're really good. So I don't know, it's easy and fun. I was thinking of putting a box or a bag of marshmallows in. I still might do that, but I don't know. I think it's kind of cute to have them all mixed up. And some of them have the marshmallows, like I said, and most of them don't. I mean, most of them have a little something, something, but I don't know. I would say I did about a third, and a third. Or almost. I think I did 6 or 7 marshmallows. So there might be more just plain. It doesn't matter. I just thought it would be fun. And it's actually for Katie's boyfriend's parents. I thought it would be just nice to... Oh, I put 4 on here. Oops, I didn't mean to. I thought it would be nice just to give them a little gift. So I'm going to leave that one undone. And I will start with that one and put it down here. So I thought it would be nice just to give them a little something, something. And they live in St. Louis, so I'm going to mail this. So I go ahead and do 3 sides. And stick a cocoa in there. Here's a Moroccan mint. And then I will put a couple mints in there. I'm using these little Redbird soft mints. They are quite enjoyable. And then just closing the box. You can see I didn't fold this box very well, but that's okay. I mean, it's the thought, it's the point, you know, it's okay. And here's the box. Throw that in my box. And I also put 2 coffee mugs, or hot chocolate mugs. Have a cup of cheer, and it's the most wonderful time of the year. They're just little plastic mugs that I found at the Dollar Tree. I'm just putting these all in a big box, and we'll send the box, and I'll probably leave a note to not open until December 1st, or open on December 1st. Maybe put that on there, and then that way they'll open it up. And I'm going to leave them a note because they're not going to be in any sort of order when they get it, and they might wonder, what in the heck is this? But I love advent calendars. I'm actually giving the kids all advent calendars, and I will show you those when I get them all. I've ordered them, but I haven't gotten them all yet. But this is kind of just a fun little gift, and I think it'll be a nice surprise and a nice, inexpensive. I got a variety pack of hot cocoa from Amazon, and I used paper that I had in my stash from different paper stacks. And yeah, I mean, it was pretty easy to put together. I think that the box of 40 different hot cocos was $22, I think. So I obviously will only use 25 of those, so I'll have plenty left over. I even thought about maybe doing 2 of them, one for another person, but I kind of decided not to, so I don't know what I'm going to do. I'll probably just use the hot chocolate around here. But there's all different flavors of hot chocolate in this variety pack. There's butterscotch, there's peanut butter, there's Mexican chili, like the pepper. There is peppermint, Tootsie Roll, mint, lots of different kinds of mint, and chocolate truffle. That's the one I'm going to put in here. And they're different brands. This one is Soho. There is Brooklyn. There was Pingo, which has a cute little penguin on it. I've never heard of all of these. There's Junior Mint's brand, Charleston Chew brand. So, kind of fun. Made sure I put one in here. I got nervous. And like I said, I just cut numbers and, or printed numbers and cut them out. And that's that. So I will show you what it looks like when I'm done. Well, I'll do one more because I want to stuff the marshmallows in there so you can see how I'm doing that, which is just the same way I did the mints, but I put them in a little Ziploc baggie, like a little one that I had in my stash that's food safe. Because you guys know I have lots of things in my stash. Oh, and I don't think I said, I'm going to leave a note. I'll write a little note and say that it's an advent calendar and they can enjoy a new, open a new box every day of the month. Just look for the number for the day, and so like on the 4th of December, they open the one that says 4. On the 16th of December, they'd open the one that said 16. I'm sure that they are aware of advent calendars, but just in case, I will leave them a little note just to explain my thought. And I hope it gets them excited for Christmas. So I'm going to stick that one in there. And then I'm just going to put the marshmallows right down next to it like that. And then close it up. And then I'm going to put a number on here. And that's that. Oh, this is a cute one. Isn't that awesome? So I will show you these when I am done. Okay, so this is the box, and I haven't written my note yet, but this is what it's going to be. And I will put the note in there. You can see I put a little bit of peppermints in here that was left. And I have both of the mugs in here, and then all of the days are just kind of spread around. And I will close it up and get it on its merry way. And yeah, I need it there in time for them to use it starting December 1st. Super exciting! Something pretty easy to do, and maybe it gives you guys some inspiration so you can do it too. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.